The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT is set to revolutionize the world of electric vehicles with its powerful performance and sleek design. Priced at $59,595, this all-new model comes equipped with the Direct Connection Stage 1 upgrade, boosting its horsepower to an impressive 496 and torque to 404 pound-feet. One of the standout features of the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT is its all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional handling and control on the road. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and seamless driving experience, while the 442 volts lithium-ion battery pack offers long-lasting power and efficiency. In terms of suspension and handling, the Charger Daytona RT is equipped with a multi-link front and rear suspension, as well as electric power assist steering for precise control. When it comes to braking, the Charger Daytona RT is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes for optimal stopping power. The rack pinion steering type ensures responsive handling, making every drive in this electric model a thrilling experience. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT is a stunning example of a modernized classic muscle car. With its wide and aggressive exterior design, Dodge has successfully captured the essence of traditional American muscle cars while adding a touch of modern flair. The front end of the Charger features a wide grille that exudes power and presence. The LED light bar running across the front, along with the illuminated logo, gives the Charger a distinctive and bold look. The front spoiler not only adds to the aesthetics, but also serves a functional purpose by creating downforce for better performance. The Charger's long and sleek profile is accentuated by its available 20-inch alloy wheels and high-performance tires. The side mirrors have a glossy black finish and come with standard heating and blind spot monitoring for added safety. Moving to the rear of the Charger, you'll find the classic Dodge Charger design with a modern twist. The three-dimensional LED taillights enhance the Charger's sporty appeal. The lower fascia features Daytona branding and a Fratsonic chambered exhaust system, giving the Charger a powerful and exhilarating sound. In terms of safety, the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT comes equipped with all the latest safety systems as standard, including adaptive cruise control. This ensures that you can enjoy the Charger's performance capabilities with peace of mind. But what about the interior? Let's take a closer look at what this modern muscle car has to offer inside. Starting with the key fob, you'll notice a cool carbon fiber background with the Dodge branding. The smart entry system is standard, allowing for remote start capabilities. The flush mount door handle adds a touch of modernity with a hidden touchpad for unlocking the door. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by a mix of retro design cues and modern amenities. The standard cloth seats can be upgraded to leatherette with the Plus package, offering a realistic feel and color contrast stitching. For a bold look, the demonic red option is sure to turn heads. The seats are 10-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support, and memory seats are available on the Plus models. The Scat Pack offers a performance seat option for added comfort and support. Moving on to the cabin materials, Dodge has elevated the quality with soft leatherette on the door trim and upper dashboard. The double-color stitching adds a touch of luxury, while padding along the center console enhances comfort. Starting up the vehicle, you'll be greeted by a large digital gauge cluster with fully customizable graphics and animations based on drive modes. The steering wheel features a squared-off design, leather wrapping, and heating capabilities. The power adjustment feature adds convenience to the driving experience. Interior storage is plentiful, with ample space for essentials like drinks and snacks. The wireless phone charging pad keeps your device powered up on the go. The shifter has a unique pistol-shaped design, and the electronic parking brake adds a modern touch. The dual-zone automatic climate control system ensures comfort for all passengers, with heated and ventilated seats available. The audio system, from Alpine, delivers impressive sound quality, with the option to upgrade to an 18-speaker setup with the Sun and Sound package. The 12.3-inch display offers easy access to features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as performance applications. The attitude adjustment lighting allows for customization with 64 different colors to choose from, adding a personalized touch to the interior. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT is a stunning and practical vehicle, especially considering its length of 206 inches. Despite being a two-door coupe, the Charger offers ample space in the back seat, with 37 inches of legroom and headroom, making it suitable for passengers of various heights. The middle seat even has a fold-down armrest with 2 cup holders, allowing for comfortable seating for 3 passengers. As for features, the Charger offers standard vents, heated rear seats in the Plus model, and 2 charging USB ports in the rear. In terms of cargo space, the Charger surprises with a hatchback-style rear, providing 23 cubic feet of space behind the second row of seats. Folding down the seats increases the cargo capacity to 37 cubic feet, making it incredibly versatile for a coupe. The lack of a spare tire is something to keep in mind, but the 60/40 split folding seats allow for flexibility in maximizing cargo space. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona RT is a powerhouse of an electric vehicle that is sure to impress even the most discerning car enthusiasts. With 2 versions available, the RT and the Scat Pack, this model offers impressive performance numbers that will leave you speechless. The RT model boasts 456 horsepower. This extra boost of power can take the Charger from 0 to 60 in as little as 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric vehicles on the market. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which allows for different drive modes including drift and drag mode. In addition to its impressive power and performance, the Daytona RT also boasts a more rigid chassis, thanks to the lithium-ion battery pack. This structural integrity, combined with features like dual-valve adaptive dampening and 3 major drive modes, ensures that this car handles like a dream. With a 100.5 kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack, this vehicle offers a decent range and quick charging capabilities. The handling and steering in sport mode provide immediate feedback, giving drivers a classic muscle car feel. Despite its size and weight, the Charger Daytona RT handles well and maintains that authentic American muscle car experience. One of the standout features of the Charger Daytona RT is its quiet cabin, even when driving at high speeds. With the EV sound turned off, the sound level reading settles in at a comfortable 59.3 decibels, making it one of the quieter sports cars on the market. Additionally, Dodge will be offering traditional gasoline options for those who prefer combustion engines, with inline 6 variants set to be released in mid-2025. For those interested in the all-electric range, the base RT model offers a maximum range of 308 miles, while the more powerful Scat Pack model offers 241 miles. This makes the RT a more efficient option with over 3 miles per kilowatt hours. The upcoming 4-door Charger Daytona models, set to arrive in 2025, along with the gas-powered Dodge Charger 6-pack models, will all feature standard all-wheel drive. This addition not only enhances the Charger's all-weather capabilities, but also sets it apart from other muscle cars on the market. One of the key features of the all-new Charger is the wet snow mode, which comes standard on every model. This mode optimizes traction and stability in harsh conditions by utilizing traction control, electronic stability control, regenerative braking, and torque bias logic between the front and rear electric drive modules. Additionally, the mechanical limited slip differential on the rear axle ensures maximum traction in wintry conditions by distributing power to both rear wheels when torque is applied. For those looking to have some fun in the snow, the Charger also offers a drift donut mode. This mode allows the propulsion system to switch into rear-wheel drive, with electronic stability control turned off and varying levels of traction control intervention, making it perfect for performing drifting and donut maneuvers in snowy conditions. The all-new, all-electric Dodge Charger Daytona RT is not only the quickest and most powerful muscle car on the market, but also the most versatile with its all-wheel drive capabilities. Whether you're looking for performance, all-weather capability, or just some snowy fun, the Charger Daytona has you covered.